Hello everyone, I have some special topic to discuss and share the experience of the project with you, and I believe that this project is very interesting and important, and we have the guest speakers today. So he's a lecturer at Faculty of Humanities and Tourism Management. His name is Dr. Siwasak Pansukkum. He's gonna give some detail regarding to the project that he's doing now. อาจารย์สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีครับ
So first of all, can you tell us what's the project that you're doing now?
All right. At this moment of time, my project is about collecting data, and the purpose of collecting data is to make it for the Gokmak to be like the STC and to be one of the like 100 destination of the world low carbon.
Okay, what is the GSTC?
GSTC stand for global sustainable tourism criteria.
Okay.
That is standard for making the destination or attractions to be one of that's what we call sustainable destinations.
Okay. So how would you divide the area of the tourism site?
Well, generally, according to Gokmak geographical area,
Right.
I divided, not really me, but also a lot of people in my team, we divided into like four categories.
Okay.
One, that's what we call communities and culture area.
Okay. The
Second, that's what we call fragile area.
Okay. And the third
one, that's what we call adventure.
Okay. And the last one is a
That is recreation area.
recreation area. So there are four of them that you divide it up to the tourism site. It's going to be community and culture.
Yes, that's right.
Fragile area,
Fragile area.
adventure,
Yep.
and recreation area.
You good.
So I believe that when you do the survey, you involve with the 5A tourism components.
You're
Can
right.
you tell us about that, please?
Well, generally, when we collect all the data,
Right.
again, we're going to sort all the information into the small category.
Right.
In order to define, it's quite easy.
Right.
Well, that's what we bring 5A's theory
Right.
into
So-
this project.
So can you tell us a
Of
bit
course.
more about 5A? What's
Okay.
included?
Well, 5A consists of one. The first A is attraction.
Attraction.
The second A is activity.
Activities. Okay.
The third A is accessibility.
All right. And
All right, and the fourth A is amenity.
Right, and
And
the
last A, that's it, attraction.
no, it's accommodation.
Accommodation, I'm sorry. Okay,
So it's gonna be
accommodation.
5 of them.
Okay.
5A. It's gonna be
5A's.
the attraction
Okay,
and activities.
all right,
And accessibility.
you good?
And also amenity. And
Right.
also the last one is accommodation.
Accommodation.
That you need to combine all 5 to be the part of the tourism component
right.
that you do the survey.
Yes.
Okay. So how long of your project is gonna be last for?
Well, this project takes like 4 months.
4 months. It just start. It
Yep.
just start. Okay.
Yeah.
It's 4 months.
4
okay.
months.
And who support the project
Alright.
in terms of the
Budget,
finance,
and
and
budget.
finance.
DASTA is the main sponsors for this project.
right?
DASTA.
So DASTA is a designated area for sustainable tourism administration. Financially support this project.
Yep.
Because at the end, DASTA they like this location, which is Gokmak, to be top 100 destination.
The world destination,
The
low
world
carbon.
destination. Okay. So what you do under the project now? You need to provide some knowledge to the community
All right.
in terms of the like a GSTC or,
Yep.
or what else?
Well, what I'm gonna say, I divide the process into 2 steps. The
Right.
first step, collect all the data,
Data.
survey,
Right,
and then
survey.
we're gonna make it later. Later that we're gonna make it in a plan.
in the plan.
All right.
Okay.
And the second step, we need to acknowledge
Acknowledge.
to the local community,
Alright.
to the people in this area. Okay, about the STC criteria.
Right. Because how when you said about the criteria, and I believe that the GSTC, which is another word for the Global Sustainable Tourism Council
or criteria,
is located in the Netherlands. So can you tell us about the criteria of the GSTC? I believe that there are 4 of them.
Right. Now there are 4 pillars.
4 pillars.
The 4
Okay,
pillars.
4 pillars. Okay.
All
Can you
right.
tell us a bit more about
Okay,
each
of course.
pillar? The first one.
The first one is about management.
The management.
Right.
Okay. What would you do for the management? Resources or
Yes.
resources?
We need, just generally, this is my part. but that's the criteria.
Okay.
So the STC need to look through the area, how well is managed.
All right.
Okay,
Okay.
that's the first thing.
Okay, and second thing is it reduce the
Reduce
negative impact in
social. In
society.
social.
Okay.
Okay.
So you reduce the negative impacts in social.
Yes, that's right.
What about the third one?
About the third one is about to reduce the negative impacts of the economy.
Economy. Okay. And the last one would be
That's the same. Reduce the negative
impact
impact of the environment.
So there are three important things of the
Four.
Four. But
Okay.
you involve with the social,
Yes.
the society,
Okay.
the environment,
Okay.
and also the economy.
Economy,
So
yeah.
they have to work together.
Yeah, that's
so
right. You know why we need to focus on these three?
Right.
You talk about social,
Right.
society.
Right.
You talk about environment, and you
and
talk
also
about
the
economy.
economy.
Is that because that's the keyword for sustainable tourism?
All right.
All right. We need to balance all these three criteria.
All right.
If we make it like unbalanced, there's going to be a big trouble
All right. Okay.
in one of the destinations.
Can you tell us about the challenges that you are involved with?
Well, the challenges is how to push this destination to
Alright.
be the top destination of the like 100 world top destination
Right.
of
Because
the
I
world.
believe Thailand, we are only two
Yes, at this moment of time. Okay.
locations in the top 100
Right.
destinations.
At this moment of time, we have two.
Right.
And both of them are not both of them. One is in the northeastern part of Thailand. This is in Loi province.
Loi province.
And another one is in the northern part of Thailand. Is in Nan province.
So there are only two provinces
At this moment of
of
time.
Thailand that are in the top 100 destinations.
Yes, that's
Okay?
right. And we hope that this is going to be the third one.
Right.
This is going to be the third one for Thailand.
Well, I hope so.
Yeah.
So thank you very much for your time to give us very interesting project that you are doing.
All right, appreciate it.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So I believe that it's gonna be very useful for our participants around the world
Okay.
regarding to the global sustainable tourism criteria
All
or
right.
condition or council that you're doing with. So thank you.
That'll be
ขอบคุณ
good
มากครับ Thank
ครั
you
บขอบคุณครับ สวัสดีครับ ขอบคุณครับ